Big moves are happening with Xpeng Motors, and there's chatter about a potential price target shift. Curious about what's causing all this buzz? Stick around, and let's dive deep into the latest news. Okay, let's take a look at the news. Xpeng Motors, ticker symbol XPEV, has been on a roller coaster ride over the past year. After a massive 80% crash in 2022, the stock saw some recovery this year, with gains of 70% and 55% in June and July. However, August hasn't been kind, with the stock down nearly 24%. Despite this, XPEV is still up over 61% for the year. Interestingly, while its fellow Chinese EV competitor, Li Auto, reached new all-time highs this year, XPEV is still trading at a fraction of its 2020 highs. So, what's causing this August dip? A few factors are at play. The broader market has seen a sell-off in growth sectors, including EV stocks, due to rising U.S. bond yields. The slowdown in China, which is Xpeng's primary market, hasn't helped either. On the company-specific front, while Xpeng's deliveries surpassed 10,000 for the first time this year in July, they were still lower than last year's numbers for the same month. Financially, the company reported a record loss in Q2, and its gross margins have turned negative. Additionally, the departure of Wu Xinzhou, the vice president of autonomous driving, has raised eyebrows given the significance of autonomous driving for Xpeng's future. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite the recent downturn, there are compelling reasons to consider buying the dip in Xpeng Motors. The company expects its shipments to rise gradually, forecasting deliveries between 39,000 to 41,000 in Q3. Although this is below their earlier monthly predictions, it still indicates an upward trajectory. Xpeng is also optimistic about Q4, aiming for peak monthly deliveries of 20,000. The company is implementing cost cuts and organizational changes, which, combined with rising deliveries, should bolster its financial performance. They're even expecting positive operating cash flows and gross margins in Q4. BofA Securities analyst Ming Sun Lee recently upgraded XPEV to a buy and anticipates the company turning profitable with positive free cash flows by 2024. If this prediction holds, it would be a significant milestone for Xpeng, eliminating the need for additional capital raises. The company's balance sheet remains robust, with $4.65 billion in cash and short-term investments as of June. Xpeng's expansion to Europe and its successful G6 SUV launch in China are other positive indicators. The company also plans to introduce more models on its Smart Electric Platform Architecture (SEPA) 2.0 platform in the coming years, which should further boost its market share. Another exciting development is Xpeng's partnership with global auto giant Volkswagen. This collaboration is expected to enhance the company's profitability and brand image. Additionally, Xpeng is making strides in autonomous driving technology in China, especially as competitors like Tesla face regulatory challenges in the country. Lastly, China's continued support for its EV sector, evident from the extension of its EV purchase tax exemption until 2027, bodes well for Xpeng. Shifting gears, let's talk about the upcoming trading session's surge signals for Xpeng. The upward signals are at $16.36, $16.66, and $17.06, while the downward ones are at $15.66, $15.26, and $14.96. These numbers are crucial. If the stock price approaches or breaches these levels, it could confirm a directional move. For instance, if XPEV hits or surpasses $17.06, it might indicate a strong bullish trend. Conversely, dropping to or below $14.96 could signal a bearish move. As traders, these are the levels we need to watch closely. Alright folks, that's a wrap on Xpeng Motors for today. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more insights. And hey, if you've just subscribed, drop a subscribed comment below, and we'll do our best to respond. Before you go, what are your thoughts on Xpeng's future? Do you see it reaching new highs soon? Share your predictions in the comments. Until next time, stay informed and trade wisely.